We've got joining us right now Mr. Mouli Raman, the MD and co-founder of OnMobile Global. So thanks very much for joining in. Most brokerage reports at this current time are suggesting that your international business is going to be the supporting factor going forward, because domestic business will continue to remain a little weak, and the TDSAT order is going to add incremental pain for domestic businesses.
Yeah, overall, we are very bullish on the value-added services business, wherein providing service on the mobile for the consumers. And in India, while there are enough opportunities to provide service to the consumers, because of a lack of open and sustainable ecosystem, we are not seeing as many services as there are opportunities. And we believe that it will take about 12 to 18 months for this to be available. And after that, you will see a lot more services in the market. And TDSAT, yes, the TDSAT, the intent of the order is right, and but the implementation of it, we have some differences. So as an industry, we are in discussions to try, and over the next 2 to 3 months, it will be more clear. And as far as international business is concerned, international business is contributing about 58% of our revenues, as opposed to about 42% 3 quarters back. And today, this is led by growth in LATAM. Latin America is contributing about 23% of our revenues now. This is in less than 2 years of operations in Latin America. And again, this is with one product and one customer in 14 countries. And we believe that it is possible for us to roll out more products with this customer, Telefonica. And we are also in discussions with other operators. So that's about Latin America. So if you look at Africa, again, we are in, we have been operating in that market for about 12 months or so. And again, we are seeing significant traction for our services in that market. Again, we are very bullish on that. And Asia Pacific is seeing very steady growth. So overall, international emerging markets, we are very bullish on that. And North America and Europe. North America is in the early stages of growth. I think over 2 years, I think we will see a lot more traction in North America. Europe is fairly steady at this point in time.
So, most brokerages suggesting that going forward, global revenue CAGR will be about 35% plus, approximately around these levels. Is that something that you're also, blueprinting out for yourself in terms of targets?
While we don't give forward-looking statement. Yes, we are pretty bullish on the international growth.
All right. Could you also comment a little bit on the overall VAS uptake for the domestic market and how it's likely to shape up?
Yeah, overall, if you look at, the services which are available in the market, they are primarily on the entertainment based, and the uptake is anywhere between 2 to 15% of the users use any of these services. Ringback tone is on the other higher side, and many of the other services like cricket and so on basically are on the lower side. Today, we are seeing a significant uptake for data in the market, and that will continue to be the case over the next 1 to 2 years. If you look at the international market, predominantly our foray is with ringback tone, and we are seeing in Latin America a penetration of about 7 to 11% within 24 months of operations. Again, in Africa, we are seeing anywhere between 15 to 25% of penetration basically. So that way, ringback tone is our foray into the international markets, and we are seeing pretty good penetration of this product.
Aside of that, could you comment a little bit more on how you expect to stabilize margins for yourself, both internationally and domestically?
I think there are 2 things we are doing. One is we are taking a hard look at all the initiatives, both on the product side and the customer side. And we are deciding to focus on fewer initiatives so that we can invest in them well and we can really do justice. And we believe that with that focus, we will be able to get more revenues, as well as we will be able to reduce the costs. So these are two things that we are doing to both increase revenues and reduce costs.
All right. Just one last word. Overall, right now, though you say you're not projecting, what you would likely do, but the overall plan for improvement of the domestic business, because that's the key concern. While overall, things are spoken about positively in terms of the international business, and like you rightly pointed out, we've got big plans there, LATAM particularly being a key growth driver. Any focus shift in domestic products, as well as how you're going to push it forward?
I think definitely domestic is a key focus for us. It contributes about 42% of our revenues, and we are focusing a lot. And here, over next 12 months, the focus is predominantly on implementing various policies. Then also we are in the process of rolling out 1 or 2 services over next 2 to 3 quarters. Yes, I mean it is a focus area, and we are going to be rolling out 2 or 3 products over next few quarters.
Right, sir. Mr. Raman, thanks very much for joining and really appreciate you taking out the time.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.